So, hello student, good morning. Today we will discuss about the application of the cross product. Yesterday we have discussed the cross product and different formulas, how to find the cross product between the two vectors. Now the application of the cross product. Here written how many applications? 1, 2, 3, 4 applications are given. So one by one we will discuss 4 applications. The first application to find the angle between the two vector. Here the angle between the two vector is sin inverse. Theta equal to sin inverse. If A and B are the two vectors, then this formula you apply. Here the adjacent side of the triangle means you look at two sides. This side A vector and this side B vector. Then the area can be written. So A cross B, half of the A cross B magnitude. Area of the parallelogram rhombus. If the two adjacent sides are given, A vector and B vector, two adjacent side माने पाखापाखी तीटा side दिया है, then the area can be calculated by using this formula, A cross B magnitude only. If D1 and D2 are the two diagonal means theta corner दिया है, these are the corners. So D1 and D2 given, D1 and D2. So apply this formula, half into D1 and D2 magnitude, D1 cross D2 magnitude. So one by one we will discuss more details. Now the first one. Okay. By application of the, remember one thing, find the angle between the two vector means you have to apply dot product, it is easy. But if it is asked to find the angle between the two vector by application of the cross product, then you apply this formula. Okay. So this one the first one. If A vector equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap and B vector equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 3j cap k cap. There are two vectors. Then which we find what angle between the two vectors. The first one, we have to find A cross B. A cross B means in determinate form you put what I cap, J cap, K cap. Here 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2 minus 1, 3. Just you evaluate I vector into 3 into 3, 9 minus 6 means plus 6 minus J into, we leave it this 2 into 3, 6 minus 2 into 6, 12 plus k cap into, we leave these lines 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 6, this one 15 I cap, this minus 6 minus plus 6 j cap, this minus 8 k cap. This is what A cross B came. Now you find A cross B magnitude. A cross B magnitude means here you get the 15 A cross B equal to this one. Magnitude is 15 square plus 6 square plus minus 8 square. 15 square 225 plus 36 plus 64. That equal to root over 425. So here 100 325. So root over 325. Because the sum of these two equal to 100, here it is what 325. You could put as usually, and angle theta equal to you apply the formula. What? Sin inverse is a cross product. You know the magnitude of this one equal to root over 325 by A magnitude. A magnitude equal to 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square root over into B magnitude equal to 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 3 square. The sin inverse root over 325 by here it is the 7, here what 9 plus 1 10 plus this root 14. Okay, so cancel this sin inverse root 7 you cancel it by root 7, then we get root 5 by root 2 7. Okay, sine inverse this one, you keep it. In this way you find the angle between the two vector. Theta vector with the angle find out karabo by application of what here? Cross product. But one thing again I am remembering this one. Find the angle between the two vector. You apply what? Dot product, because dot product is the easier method to find the angle between the two vector. Okay. Now we will find the area of the triangle. The question number here also given, the question number 5 from the exercise. Question number 5 from the exercise. Determine the area of the triangle for first bit. Determine the area of a triangle ABC in which A equal to 1 to 4, B equal to 3 1 minus 2, 3 1 minus 2, and C 4 3 1. These are what three coordinate of the three vertices given of the triangle ABC. We have to find the area. So area find out. To find the area, we have to find the adjacent sides. Which are the adjacent side? We have to find the BC vector and here AB vector. We have to find the AB vector and BC vector. These are find out karavo. Kept find out karavo now look at. These are the given. So AB vector equal to B minus A, 3 minus 1 I cap plus 1 minus 2 J cap plus minus 2 minus 4 K cap. This what? 2 I cap, this minus 1 J cap, this minus 6 K cap. This is AB vector. Then BC vector, you have to find BC vector. BC vector equal to C minus A. C minus A means 4 minus 3 I cap, 3 minus 1 J cap, 1 minus 2 means plus 2 K cap. Here it is 1 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap. You know AB vector and BC vector both comes. This is what adjacent side AB and this is what adjacent side BC. So now wait, we have to find the cross product between the AB and BC. AB vector cross BC vector. Cross product how to find here? I cap, J cap, K cap you put. Here the coefficient are 2, minus 1, minus 6. Here the coefficient are 1, 2, 3. I cap into minus 3 into minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus 12 means plus 12 plus minus 8 minus 8 to leave this 2 into 3 6 minus 6 plus 6 plus K into leave this 2 4 minus 1 4 plus 1. So this is what 12 minus 3 9 I cap 12 J cap 5 K cap. So this is AB cross BC. Now you find what AB cross BC magnitude. So magnitude 9 square plus minus 12 square plus 5 square. This what 81. This 144 plus this is 25. 5 9 9 1 10 0 3 7 7 8 15 5 1 2 250 root 250 equal to what? 100 250. Root 250 equal to, instead of root 250 you can also write, instead of 250 2 sorry 2 125 5 25 5 5. So you put 5 root 10. So this is what AB cross BC magnitude equal to 5 root 10. Now AB magnitude equal to, now you find what AB magnitude. AB magnitude AB vector equal to what here? AB vector equal to this one, magnitude equal to 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 6 square root over. This what? 36 plus 4 root 41. And BC magnitude equal to, you find what BC equal to this one, 1 2 3 are there, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square root over. This 1 square 1 plus 4 plus 9, so root 14. This is. So now I apply the formula. So what formula you have to apply? That area formula. Area formula. For area formula these are not necessary. You should not find this. For area area equal to area of the triangle half into AB cross BC. So AB cross BC जेती ऐसे तक half रे multiply करता है, you get your answer. Okay. So 1/2 into here 5 root 10. 5 root 10. So here it is 5 root 10 by 2. This is the area of the what? Triangle. So in this way you find the area of triangle. Okay. Two adjacent sides are given, then you apply this formula. Now we will find area of the parallelogram. How to find the area of the parallelogram? You will get another problem I will do for you. Here we will get the question of 4 is given. Find the area of parallelogram. We have to find the area of the parallelogram in which given you will get two vectors are given, adjacent sides. Two adjacent sides are given. The first one I plus j, here minus I plus 2j. दीटा वेक्टर दिया है तार एडजेसेंट साइड कार एडजेसेंट साइड दिया है गोटे पैरेललोग्राम रो दीटा एडजेसेंट साइड दिया है मींस पाखापाखी साइड दिया है देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया इक्वल टू सपोज यू गेट हियर AB CD हियर AB एरिया इक्वल टू AB क्रॉस BC आर एरिया फाइंड आउट करया पे केवल दीटा कोन कराबो यार क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करके मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड आउट करा. So now AB cross BC equal to, now you find here separately AB cross BC equal to what? I cap, J cap, K cap. In AB vector AB vector this one 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 means there is no what? No K. Here it is what? BC equal to what given? BC equal to given minus 1 2 0 minus 1 2 0. Okay, so now you find it here it what is the I into 0 minus 0 0 minus j into leave this 0 minus 0 0 plus k vector into 2 minus minus 1 3. So this is what 3k vector 3k cap. So AB BC this one. Now area equal to magnitude of AB cross BC. So this one can be written 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 3 k cap. So our magnitude कितना है 0 square plus 0 square plus 3 square root over. This 3 square means 9 root over equal to 3. Area equal to 3 unit. 3 unit you write. 3 square unit. area लिखला हो this square लिखा हो centimeter is not given you write what square unit. Okay, this is what area of the parallelogram theta adjacent side दिया है मैंने ये टाइप रो फाइंड आउट करा हो. So now look at here the two diagonals are given. Question number 11 you look at here the two diagonals are given. Question number 11. Find the area of a parallelogram whose two diagonals are d1 vector equal to 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and d2 vector equal to I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So there are two vectors, two diagonals given in which we find the area of the parallelogram. Here diagonal given, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Here diagonal 1, here diagonal 2 given. Diagonal 1 equal to this one, diagonal 2 equal to this one. Then area equal to what formula you have to apply? Area equal to half into diagonal 1 cross diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 रो cross product find out करा हो, तर magnitude find out करा हो. So now you find by d1 cross d2. d1 cross d2 equal to what? d1 cross d2 you put I cap, j cap, k cap. So instead of this 3, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 4 you put and evaluate that. I cap into 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6 minus j cap into minus 9 minus 1, sorry, j cap into 12 minus 2, 12 plus 2 plus k cap into minus 9 minus 1 minus 10. So here it is what? Minus 2 I cap, this minus 14 j cap minus 10 k cap. Then you find d1 cross d2 magnitude. d1 cross d2 magnitude equal to the square root of minus 2 square minus 14 square minus 10 square. This 4, this 196 plus this is 100. 200, 300. Root 300 equal to 10 root 3. 10 root 3. Therefore, area equal to half into 10 root 3 that equal to 5 root 3 square unit. So this is the area in which you can find. Okay. So now we will discuss 2 important question for you. Here it is the given. You look at question number 7 from the exercise. Proof. To find the area, these are the formula you have to apply for finding the area. So now look at. So that A cross B whole square equal to A dot B A square minus A dot B A square B square minus A dot B whole square. This to prove. second proof. A minus B cross B, A plus B equal to 2 into A cross B. We have to prove this. Now wait. First one. Solution of the first. So A cross B whole square. A cross B whole square equal to, instead of A cross B you put the formula A magnitude into B magnitude sin theta n cap whole square. A magnitude square equal to A square, B magnitude square equal to B square, here sin square theta. So this is 1 because unit vector square equal to 1. So now you get here A square B square. Instead of sin square theta you write 1 minus cos square theta. Now you multiply, then you get what? A square B square minus A square B square cos square theta. So this is what? A square B square minus A square B square, sorry, AP cos theta whole square. So what is the AB cos theta whole square? AB cos theta is the A dot B. This is A dot B. A dot B whole square. Here this can be written what? So A square B square. So this proved. The first one is proved. So A square B square minus A dot B whole square. So next, how to prove? Let's see. So here you will get, you simply multiply, you find the cross product between this and this, you take what LHS and solve for this. So how to find the product? In the ordinary way you find the product. Solve it. Here the second one. LHS you take A vector minus B vector cross A vector plus B vector equal to, you have to prove this. Now multiply simply this into this, this into this. So A cross A minus plus A cross B. So minus into plus minus B cross A. A minus into plus minus B cross B. So now we get here the cross product of the two similar vector equal to 0. Here this two similar vector, here also two similar vector, this equal to 0. Here A cross B, instead of this you write A cross B. If you change the direction A cross B, you look at here, the property is A cross B equal to minus B cross A. If you change the what direction, then it become plus A cross B. A minus is there, you change that. Plus this is what? Minus this one 0. So 0 0 you leave it. A cross B equal to twice of A cross B. So this is the proof of the second one. Okay. So next we will discuss so here are the some problem the entrance based also. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda in which where a vector perpendicular to b vector. A question of 4 from the page number 360. Page number 360, here the question number 4. The first question is given a vector equal to 3j cap 3I cap plus 4j cap and b vector equal to minus 5I cap plus lambda j cap. And the fourth one you will get a vector equal to 6 2 minus 3 and b vector equal to 1 minus 4 lambda. So find you look at here in this case lambda, we have to find the lambda value. Here lambda, here also lambda. In the first case, in the first problem you will get a cross a dot b. Solution. A perpendicular to B. यदि ये तीटा perpendicular हो मैंने कौन A dot B equal to 0. That implies A dot B equal to 0. Okay. So now get here also given first one, first question here it is a vector equal to 3I cap plus 4j cap. B vector equal to minus 5I cap plus lambda j cap. So a dot b equal to what? You multiply 3 into minus 5 minus 15, 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into lambda. This is equal to minus 15 plus 4 lambda. Now put what? Putting a dot b equal to 0 because they are given perpendicular, so a dot b equal to 0. So a dot b equal to minus 15 plus 4 lambda equal to 0, 4 lambda equal to 15 and lambda equal to 15 by 4. So lambda value, in this way you find the lambda value. Okay. Next also you convert this one into a vector form, then you find. Second one, PV of a vector. Here point is given, you find the position vector 6I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. B vector, PV of B vector I cap minus 4j cap plus lambda k cap. Okay, so PV of these both are given. Now we find a dot b. A dot b equal to 6 into 1 6, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, minus 3 into lambda minus 3 lambda. A dot b equal to this one. Now putting a dot b equal to 0. Why a dot b equal to 0? I have told this one they are perpendicular to each other. That implies a dot b equal to 6 minus 8 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. This minus 2 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. Then minus 3 lambda equal to 2. Then lambda equal to minus 2 by 3. So this one. In this way you find the what the value of lambda. These are the entrance type questions. Okay. So next class we will discuss more about the vectors. Okay. Today we will stop. Next class we will discuss.